single religion. Instead,
an Amber Alert is being issued by the California Highway Patrol on behalf of the San Joaquin County Sheriff's Office. On October 4, 2021, at 10 p.m., Jana Webb was abducted from Stockton, California. Jana Webb is a 1-month-old black female, 2 feet tall, weighing 10 pounds. The suspect, D'Angelo Webb, is a 24-year-old black male, standing 5 feet 11 inches tall, weighing 180 pounds with black hair and brown eyes. The suspect should be considered armed and dangerous. The suspect was last seen driving a 2015 silver Chevrolet Equinox, with California license plate number 7KBE022. If seen, call 911.